guys, we're gonna be making a lava lamp. And you need fizzy tablets. You need a light if you want to make a lamp. You need a big glass jar and liquids. So yeah. So now this cup of water is gonna be done. I think that's good. That's good. That's a lot of blue. Woo-hoo! I think we might need to go dive shopping after this, Mom. I'm adding all of it. I can put in all of it. Okay, so that's our mixture. Kind of cool. Now I'm gonna drop this in. Should I put in a couple more, Mom?
Sure.
Nah. Okay.
Swirling it a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look at that. This is heavy. I'm gonna put this on the lamp. Look at that. Kind of shows it brown. Look at what it's doing. That's not a lava lamp. That's not a lava lamp.
What?
I'm gonna add in the whole thing. Quick, put the lamp. So what happens. It's really active in there. I need to turn you off. Look how active that thing is. And it's just, oh, no. That's bad.
Go ahead and take it off.
Okay, so guys, the last part actually failed. So we're gonna try it again, but with cooking oil. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour in the
Do you
water.
want the color?
Oh, yeah. We have the color. Ooh. Okay. Three drops. Okay, should I just pour this in?
Yes.
This color turns out to be already working. Leave much more. I'm just gonna put in this whole thing, and let's see what it hits. I think one will just be enough.
It's doing what it's supposed to.
Yeah. Now this is what it's supposed to be doing. It's the same. Let's put it under the lamp to make it a real lava lamp. And this is heavy. Look at that. And you can see the thing in it. See? Oh, you can see it. See? You can see it right there. Okay, so now we're going to see what happens when we have 3 tablets. And you can always make more. Look at that. Add more. And that then even more. Okay,
Whoa.
should I add more?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
That's definitely enough. Wait, hold on. There's another mini one in here. It says like, hey. There's a confetti. Okay, so I guess we got our confetti. Should I put all of it in? Okay, it turns out I'm putting in all of it. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to leave you guys to see the experiment of what's happening to the confetti. Bye.